Alright, welcome back to another video. Just received this in the delivery from Amazon. It's a Neewer light system. I'll have the model on the screen. This is just inside a mostly plain box. There we go. Very nice case, as you can see here. Basic zipper, Velcro handle, there we go. So slide down here so we can look at the top part. It's got a nice pocket here, you can see. Slide over a bit. We'll take a look at some of this stuff here. It's actually got a nice user manual. Tell you how to use everything. I'll definitely have to look at that. Operation prompt card. A bunch of QR codes. Download the apps. How to attach the soft diffusers, and everything you get. Well, continuing on here, we've got power cord. Looks like just a regular barrel. And then here is a regular wall plug. Connect into that. It's a nice power supply. Again, it's got the barrel on this end. Mounting. Cone for the light. Some Velcro. So we'll have to look in the manual and see exactly how you're supposed to use that. That's pretty nice. That comes with all kinds of accessories. Battery plate, so you can use the FP750 or the, oh sorry, reading this wrong, the F750 or the F970. And you can see that a little better. And this would be the one barrel. Be able to do that, plug it into the camera for battery. For handheld, a lot of gel packs, 4 or 5 of them so far. And here is the very small light. Right in here you can see the exact model and power, 65 watts. Any bicolor. Is there a release? That's why. There's a release for it. Learning as we go. Nice vents, little fan in there, controls. We also have an app, as we saw, with the QR codes, so you can control it remotely with your phone. And that's where the other barrel plug would go in, from either the power adapter or that battery pack. Very cool. So let me get this paused, we'll get some things set up, and we'll take a look at it a little further. And before we get it set up, I actually put this to the side and didn't open it up. This is going to be the diffusers. Look at all the gel packs in here. Boy. So it comes with 6 different color diffusers. Lay them out here so you can see them all. We'll just open one. So it stretches to cover the light. So it's fun to have a little white, blue, yellow, green, red, and brown. Alright, so now I'm going to pause it and get everything set up. Alright, we got things set up here. This is the first try of the Neewer MS60B. That is the bicolor video light that we've got here. It is just off to the side of the camera here, and so far I have not really made any adjustments. I haven't even seen what this looks like from post, but we've got the light set at 5500 Kelvin at 25% brightness, throwing a little tiny green RGB light behind me that we've reviewed recently on this channel, just to give a little bit of separation. And I keep looking off to the side to look at the monitor display of what the video is recording at the moment, just to see what's behind me. But this is the box that you're looking for here, the MS60B. That'll be this one here. I'll throw a price up on the screen from Amazon to give you an idea of how much this runs. Comes with 6 different soft diffusers. So you got the white, you got a green, a red, a brown, yellow, and a blue. So not bad for the price. It sits on the tripod without being, too top heavy, and being quiet for a second. I don't know if you can hear, it's a very faint fan going on the bicolor, so not too loud at all. And hopefully, I can't see any kind of audio meters. Hopefully my volume's not too loud. Again, this is being recorded without checking the post and all, but I will try to adjust a little bit in post. Not too much, just so you can see the actual rendition of what it performs and does. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.